Hey guys, this is Dontez Lindsay, General Manager at Ducks Trading LLC, as well as Elite Trainer of StockCraft. Before I go any further, I just want to say today, I am not a financial advisor, and this video is for entertainment purposes only. So the content today is going to be, I'll show you what a halt looks like. I'll show you what an offering looks like. I'll show you what a stock that is just nuts and like a low float and its price action. You're going to see a lot of that. You're going to see in the beginning a very tilted, unstable, stubborn trader that just doesn't want to cover his position. And what happens when you are focused and too committed on things that aren't worth the value that you gave them. Now, if that doesn't make sense, I'm sorry. Well, we're just going to go into the video and you're going to get a sense of what I'm talking about. I have it all memorized. Yeah, but let's go. So first video, I'll show you just a little bit of the train wreck in the beginning. This is a little context. I forgot to turn on the camera after I started the stream. And I did that because I was in a position that blew my mind. And let's go.
Hey guys, good morning. So I did some trading in the pre-market, and so if you look over here, I have a position of about 50K right now. This actually should be more. Okay, it's actually closer to like 60K, and I'm underwater by like 50 cents on a $5 stock, so it's like 10% right now. So I made, okay, this is 2,000, but I actually made something closer to 3,000 first. And yeah, I just gave it all back. Like this position is down by 9, or down by like 7,000 right now. And if you can see, I held this. Like first I shorted it, and I'm just like, you know, this resistance is gonna get beaten up and all this other stuff by the later push. And I'm just like, okay, let me just get what I can now. And I thought it was over. So I bought long. The long just kept going and going and going. And then I'm at that point where I just recorded the last hour.
Look at
just
the
like
chat.
Watching this oversized position, and I'm down like 8,000, and I just made like 3,000 on like one of the biggest positions. Actually, I think the biggest position I've made on something that I was confident about. Like so confident, I'm just like, you know, either I blow up today or it was something like really stupid logic. But I recorded it just to like let you guys see. It's funny, but it's also like scary how I can do that. But right now I'm at 550. I was up like what 30 cents. I only had 20K in. I'm up like 4K, and I'm like, okay, this is great. But then TZ did that little thing where the data coming in just gets super choppy and it scares everybody. And then like it scared everyone enough to where I'm like, okay, that's fine. It's gonna find some support. Found some support. Started gradually going up again. Did the little thing again. I have it all recorded. And then it goes down, and I'm like, okay, it's gonna find support here. It does find support. I bring my average down. It goes up to like right where my average is. And I'm just like, man, I should probably get out right now. I'll still be up like on the day, but at the same time, there's been so many opportunities to where as soon as I get out, the stock drops without me, and like I remember that like in my heart or something. But I also say like, you know, have your risk and have your reward that you're going for set before, and then whichever one hits first, just take it out. Because if I can like pull back to like something like upper 590s, low 6, then go up to 650, 660, then pull back again, and then shoot up to but what am I doing? Oh, no, I wanted the chart. Okay. Do you think going to long? Oh, you can't see my charts? Oh, okay. That's why you guys are reacting. That makes more sense. So there you go. I should pull up my other charts then.
Look at my face.
Hold on. KCTA. What was that one? Where's the KCTA? Okay, cool. No. Where? Okay, no, we're done. There, hit the 15. Oh, yeah, that's like a not fine support. Still like amazing. Oh, wait, we don't have that anywhere. Can I try? Yes. Wait, will this solve for time? Also, yes. Let's see, so I do this, take 6,000 out.
So yeah, what happened there was I got tired. Like as soon as the stream came on, I was just like, man, this would be a really big mistake that, you know, I'm gonna see this like X amount of time in the future. Maybe I should take off a little bit off the top. And like that's already something you should be doing anyway when you do like get into this kind of position. But that's mostly on like a multi-day runner, not this low float. And so in this case, I should have took my loss like on the chin. And the thing is, I was so confident that this was going to go up because the recent price action had a lot of 3 million float to 5 million float tickers in the past like week. They were all firing up at the end of the day. They were all just going from like, you know, 3 to 9 or like 5 to 25 and like crazy stuff like that. In this case, I just went in way too much.
This is eventually going to go up. What am I doing? We can't see your screen, can't see your charts, in case you realize. Salutations, we think you're long enough. For today. Can't see your charts, 58 cents, 58 pounds. Hey, Dontez, we can only see several of the overtrade later message. If you are sharing any Thanks. We can't see your chart though. Did you borrow BFRI? Yeah. So as I was saying before, I traded in the pre-market on 4 different tickers, and I made like 4,000 on it, and I didn't hold any of them for the right amount of time. What is happening in LGVN? When I saw this was bouncing, I didn't actually think it bounced like that far up. But I think I borrowed a little bit more. But it's only 0.1 right now. Okay, but that's a different story. But pretty much I had to make sure I keep an eye on this. What's it doing? Yeah. So I borrowed for 3 tickers: OCUP, LGVN, and KCTA. For KCTA, I borrowed it because it's pretty much a bounce short using the resistance from the previous day and the resistance from the pre-market.
Okay, so with KCTA, I think I promised you guys earlier, you're going to see an offering. So this right here, a little more context. KCTA, it had solid resistance from yesterday's price action. And yesterday's price action, I could just pull that up real quick. So what it looked like was this. And so from 6 to 8, I used that as the resistance. Something's off. Yeah, but yeah, I used that as the resistance, and then I went in after this little crack here, and the momentum was lost, and I knew the very bare minimum of like where this was gonna go in terms of like percentage, like at least under half is what I was aiming for. And so I got that. I got the crack. And then once I saw it had some type of support, I was not trying to be greedy. I just took my win and I got out of there. Now this right here, this was not predictable. This is actually an offering. And I don't know what attracted this offering, but I just wanted to show you that this is an offering. And, you know, this could come at any time, like aftermarket, pre-market, intraday. And so you need to, you know, have a little awareness of that's a possible thing. Other than that, I'll continue.
6.5. I see there's like a connection to 6.5. I go in 1,000 shares. I covered like once I made $1 because like pre-market, I'm not trying to make the biggest plays. But like I made money on that. And so first thing I did, made $1,000, walk away. And then I went to OCUP. During that time, I see this has a resistance from I think it was like 5.127. Yeah, 5.17, and it was like 60 million. I think. Yeah, 60 million. And during that time, I'm like, okay, cool. 60 million isn't going to do anything with this holiday volume. At that time, it was like at least 5 million volume, so like 5 to 10 million volume, somewhere around there. And I'm like, okay, cool. The estimate is definitely going to put this above 60 million because, you know, if it's like 6 million in the pre-market times 10, 60, and if it's already like that before 5 o'clock, it's obviously going to get, you know, an estimate that's over the resistance. And so I shorted like 6, I shorted another time at like 630, trying to risk like 650. It came back, I got covered. Did the same thing again, made like small gain. First time it was like $40, second time it was like 225. What was it doing? Yeah, in both cases, I'm just like, okay, it's a little too choppy. People are actually trying to like buy this. And I'm like, oh, okay, if it's gonna be this wrong, I might as well like buy it myself. I bought it, sold it all. Once it I forget what it did. Yeah, go shorts. Okay, no, I just I bought it up here, then I just covered my short like very slowly. And then that's where I bought it at I think it was like 594.
Okay, so if you didn't catch what I was saying right there, pretty much I went short in the beginning, going off of the idea that it had a 60 million resistance. And so that's actually very light in 2021. And it already had 6 million volume in the pre-market by that time, which was already 5 a.m. And so it's really easy to break that 60 million resistance. And so like when I shorted it thinking that, hey, the early shorts are going to get squeezed. And I'm just like, okay, that's fine if they get squeezed. I just won't go as long as them. I'm going to get like a little bit. And so like that's what those little gains were. That was me trying to get a little bit. And then remember, I thought that the factors all said, hey, this is going to break the resistance. And that's where this big loss comes in, because I had every factor in my favor that this is going to break the resistance. And then when it didn't do my plan, like my ideal plan, I didn't have enough practice having an ideal situation be wrong. And that is a fatal, it's not even a mistake. It's more of like, you're going to have to get to a point where it's make or break. You have a max loss and you just cut it. I could not get enough resolve to beat my stubbornness to get out of the trade fast enough. And so I took a lot bigger gains than I should have. Or not bigger gains, bigger losses than I should have. And that was mostly because I sized in way too much because of my stubbornness. And you'll see.
Yeah, I bought it at 594. So that's what this is. And then TZ did some like, it wasn't really TZ, but like the platform did the little glitchy thing, and then everything just started dropping. I'm like, okay, cool. I think I'm gonna find support in place. I bought where I thought I was gonna find support. I found that support, started going back a little bit more. I came back up. I took out like 4,000 because like I was making some pretty big positions. Like the more I won, the more money I would put down. Like I'm unaware of how much money I'm putting down until I ended up with like a 10,000 position. And I'm just like, wow, I haven't been this high. I was like, I'm in like a 60K position and I only had like 60K buying power. I was like, this is so not according to like rules. And pretty much what I did was I'll say verbally, oh, okay, I want to get out at this point. I want to get out at this point. Every time I'm just like, this position is too big that like I'm not used to just covering it in parts or covering it like all at once. And so I just like kept letting the loss like go down, even though it's technically within like my 10% or like 10 to 15% that I go for. Using like my ratio of like how much money I have in this compared to my entire account, this would have been like a 4-to-1, which meant that my risk should have been like never above 5%, like max 7%. And so like I was how to say it? I was in this mindset of where I was treating this like a $500, like a $10 position. Like I was treating it like paper, and it was only because I just kept making money before. And like this is my first time doing that, and so I felt like really interested in that idea. And so like I recorded the whole thing. And I'm gonna watch and chop that into pieces and make a video about it later. Because like I didn't realize how much my greed can become like a person. And then like it was kind of interesting watching that. And so I originally thought this was gonna find support at 480, and I thought myself to cover all in like 480. I'm glad I didn't, like all of it at least. But you can see I went from, it was my average position now, 5.68. So at 5.68 I had 58 or 57,000, and then it went down to being down like 8,000, 9,000. And I'm like, oh wow, this is a new thing. And like so that's when the stream came in, and then you saw I covered like 4,000, 5,000. Like as soon as I turned the charts on. Until that point I'm just like, bruh, like I'm being messed up by the platform. I was all kinds of flustered. What was that?
What just happened there is you just saw me get tilted, and I was explaining how tilted I am because I just kept buying it every time it like went below, and it would find the support that I was looking for, and then it'd crack. And the last one that I called out was like the 4.8, and I'm like, oh, okay, I want to buy at 4.8, but at the end of the day, I'm thinking big picture, so I can get the maximum amount of gain in like one trade possible. And so when it kept losing on my short game, like not talking about like small picture, then the long game kind of disappeared. Like I tunnel vision. I tunneled on my mistake and then other stuff that affected my trading technique. But other than that, I'm going to skip a little forward in the video because I have a lot of things I wanted to show. But I'll just show a few of them. Yeah, so look at the chat here. It's like misbehaving off camera. Are the impatient shorts dominating the market right now?
Executed.
All right, that's enough. Yeah, I'm running a long on BFRI, but I'm still too tilted from my other trades. Then I don't think I can trade on stream. And so I'm pretty much just waiting for the stream to end, and then I'll get like my actual trades in, because I don't think there's gonna be any plays in between anyway. Let's see. Oh yeah, I always misbehave off camera. What was it doing? Yeah, so like this is this morning, or not this morning. Yeah, this is this morning's results. Up like 3,000-4,000, then take a like close to $9,000 loss on only a 10%. Like you have to notice like a percentage between all these. Like in terms of like technique, so like right here, what's that, $1? Yeah, so like a gain. No, is that loss? No, yeah, I gain 13%. Then I gain 1%. Gain another like 1%. What's that? Gain like a 4%. Then what's that? 16? That's 10. Then gain another 13%. What's this one? Then this is lose. This is lose like 11, maybe 12%, and then it's a $9,000 loss. And so like this isn't necessarily like a risk kind of a mistake. It's more of a position size mistake that only happened because like I got tired. And now I don't have enough mental strength to like divide my attention between the stream and my trading to the point where I can hold this as long as I need to hold it for technique purposes.
All right, that's enough of that. So we're going to switch to another video, and this one is going to have a lot of pieces chopped. All right, so situation report. Hey, Dontez, this thing from here to there that like, walked away from the computer, they're going to, and I'm hoping this one comes back because I just bought it long. There's no need for that. Like, what are you doing? Oh no. I know there's some people up there shorting too, but they can't beat the people that are buying this because they think it's the next DWAC. Shit, it's proven it has the potential. I'm about to go short. Scalping. 3, 2.
Executed.
I'm trying to skip a little. All right, we're using. Okay. See, I think it's just giving itself a little more room so it can come back up. I'm not gonna get my ass. Not yet. But actually, I'm gonna go out 200 here. How much? This is 4%. This is 5%. What? Okay, if that's the case, let me hold it a little bit longer.
Bruh.
See, that's your greed coming up. Better stay disciplined. What's your target? You're 41. You want 46, 45. Before you cover half, right? Or before you cover full. You don't want to play with this. Didn't you already have enough losses today? Yeah, but like the full trade, if this actually respects this top, like this can go to like low 30s, and that's a lot of our money back. We have 20K in here, and so we get 10%. That's 2K. Like we're already up 2K. Now, if we could ride this as much as it can give us something back, we'll be good. And like if it does come back, we'll just add at the top. Just take off half now.
Oh my gosh. Toxic.
The bid right now is at 32.
Oh.
We're up 21%. What the fuck? Oh wait, 41 every $4. So yeah. Oh yeah, you're up 4,000. But this is in the halt though. GTC time. GCT time. So 50. GTC. Limit order? What was it at? It was at 32 before. Now the bid's at 35. So 33.5. Cover.
It's not going to go up there. Or go down that far.
I'm already made 10%. This bounce is 10%. Yeah, 25 cents there. And then 50 cents there. So 75. Okay, we're moving again. You going down or up?
Executed.
I think you're going up. I want to take some profits. All right, that's cool.
Getting out of the hole.
Executed.
I'm not playing that game today. I'll take my 1K. You know what? No, I'm not even mad. Like this, it took off a little bit of it. It's better than nothing.
All right, so I might actually cut part of the video here, and then I'll go into a part two with the rest of this clip. And with that, I just want to say, if you like what you saw, please like and subscribe.
And you can see part 2 next week. If you like to talk to the services behind me or learn what I'm doing, or just have a comment or question, add a comment below. Other than that, stay safe, and I'll see you next time. Peace.